Bubble gum. If only people didn't stick it everywhere. Even some toys can have fun blowing bubbles. Let's have some fun. Give it a bubble with a surprise. Think we can find something to play with in all this rubble? Ah, our old friend Harley is just what we need. Let's just make some cuts. What a lovely smile. Harley probably won't mind if we borrow it for a bit. Now we'll need a balloon. Blow it up a little and try to squeeze it inside the face. Tape on a back. Now Harley can always blow a bubble. Ugh, can't they make a drink that's also fun? Ooh, a water dispenser. But let's not take it too literally. We can fill it up with all sorts of things, like lemon juice. Just grab a cup and press the button. Nice and sour, just the way she likes it. Oh, what do we have here? A spider! Oh, wait, no, it ran off. But hey, at least we still got this cup. Now all we need is a bottle and a straw. Fill the bottle with your beverage of choice. And soon you'll have your own makeshift drink dispenser. All it takes is a twist of the cap. Let's be fancy and add a drink umbrella. Oh no! The monkeys got into the banana stash again! Wait, that's no banana. It's a stress toy. Oh no! Quick, cut to something else! That's mildly better. It looks like she cut her glove. Well, waste not, want not. Maybe we can turn the finger into something brand new. Draw a cute little face and add it to a plastic cup. Add a straw inside. Now you can make it pop in and out. Oh no! Her one weakness! Bubbles! Oh, wait a minute. They're surprisingly squishy. These aren't bubbles. They're balloonies. Add to the straw and blow it nice and big. It's like a crystal ball, except squishy. Socks again. Maybe we can get store credit. Huh, this hard candy might come in handy. It's melting! Melting! Oh, what a world. Quick, before it solidifies, dip in a straw and start blowing your own candied bubbles. Don't forget, you can eat them. No, she wants something bold and new. And this hair sparkler will certainly do. Anyone else surprised it's not blue, too? These sparkles are very versatile. Ooh, a sandwich. And it looks like a sloppy one. Careful, I think you might be rubbing it in. Maybe… Actually pretty tame considering what some girls do to their dolls. With this toy, we'll need to grow the hair first. Just crank away and watch it grow. Those are some locks. Now for the part we were waiting for, the cut. Who said the hair needs to match the bangs? I shall call this new hair color brunette. Of course, it's so hard to beat the classic buzz cut. Still, every artist wants to add her special touch. No sense crying over spilled salt. Save the container. Twist some yarn into a spiral inside the container. And run some strands through the lid's holes. Grab your favorite paper doll. It's time for a haircut. Looks like she's got a few cowlicks. Let's grow it out to start from scratch. We can add a barrette and make it a ponytail. How about we braid it up and add a clip? Well, what do you know? We even got a clip left over. Remember, blow out. I told Huggy Wuggy not to wear platform boots. Come on, just breathe. You do it every day. Toy Panda stuff. Catch you next time.